In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a block quote to an email in Gmail. This is a really handy skill when you want to make specific text stand out in your message, perhaps to highlight an important statement or a memorable quote. By the end of this video, you'll be comfortable adding block quotes to enhance both the clarity and professionalism of your emails. To get started, open your Gmail account in your preferred web browser. Once you're there, locate the Compose button, usually on the left side of your Gmail dashboard, and click it to start a new email. You'll see a blank email window ready for you to craft your message. Next, think about the text you want to emphasize and type it into your email. Having the text written out first makes it easier to apply the block quote formatting and visualize how it will appear. Once your quote is typed, highlight it by clicking and dragging your mouse over the text. This selects the text and prepares it for formatting. Now, look below your email text for the formatting options icon. It appears as a letter A with a paintbrush next to it. Click on this icon to reveal more tools for enhancing your text. Within these options, find the quote icon, which looks like a pair of quotation marks. Clicking this icon instantly converts your highlighted text into a block quote. Your quote will now be indented with the line width slightly narrowed, giving it an elegant and distinguished appearance. This makes it visually clear to your reader that this text is a quotation or important statement. Adding block quotes is perfect for emails where you want to draw attention to specific points, emphasize important messages, or simply make your email look more professional. You can experiment with this feature in different emails to see what works best, and over time, it will become second nature. And that's it. You've successfully added a block quote in Gmail. It's a simple but powerful way to make your emails more readable and visually appealing. Remember, practicing these small formatting tricks can really elevate your email communication and make your messages stand out. Happy emailing!